Ever stepped outside and had to sneeze at the sun? You're not alone. Around 1 in 3 people experience this. It's known as the photic sneeze reflex. But what causes it? Researchers believe it's a wiring mix-up in the brain. Bright light stimulates the optic nerve. This can mistakenly trigger the sneeze reflex. It's completely harmless and genetic. And surprisingly, it's a common occurrence. Want to learn more about quirky facts like this? Follow Smart Facts News for insights you've felt but never explained.